Biomerica, ticker symbol BMRA, is a biotech company regaining popularity since it announced compelling real-world results demonstrating the effectiveness of its InFoods IBS product in reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The initial analysis from over 360 patients showed an average reduction of 48.5% in gastrointestinal pain and 49.8% in bloating over an 8-week period. These results align with and in some cases exceed the findings from prior randomized clinical trials conducted at leading U.S. medical centers. The InFoods IBS product uses a diagnostic guided approach to identify specific individual food triggers that can cause IBS symptoms. By eliminating these trigger foods, patients can experience significant relief from symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. The product offers a personalized, non-drug solution for managing IBS, which is a significant market need given the prevalence of the condition and the limitations of current treatments. Biomerica has also launched a proprietary real-time patient feedback system to enhance symptom tracking and improve patient outcomes. This HIPAA-compliant platform provides physicians with visibility into patient-reported outcomes, allowing them to make data-informed decisions and adjust treatment plans with greater speed and accuracy. The feedback system is a valuable tool for clinicians, enabling them to provide more effective care and improve patient outcomes. The real-world findings build on results from a peer-reviewed study published in Gastroenterology, which demonstrated that patients on an InFoods IBS-guided diet experienced significantly more abdominal pain relief compared to those on a placebo diet. The study's results showed that 59.6% of patients in the treatment group experienced a greater than 30% reduction in pain, compared to 42.1% in the placebo group. IBS is a significant health issue, affecting an estimated 10% to 15% of adults in the U.S. The condition can lead to decreased quality of life, loss of productivity, and reliance on medications with adverse side effects. Biomerica's InFoods IBS product offers a novel diagnostic-guided solution that identifies individual food triggers and enables patients and providers to target dietary changes that reduce symptoms. With its innovative approach and real-world effectiveness, InFoods IBS has the potential to improve IBS management for both patients and healthcare providers. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.